Hi friend, this is Kaustav and today we are going to learn about the IBActions. So in the last episode we got to know that how to use the IB outlet, how to connect and disconnect the IB outlet. In today's tutorial the same way we are going to learn about the IB actions. What is IB action, how to connect and disconnect a specific IB actions, these things. So IB action is special kind of functions which is being triggered on a specific event like a button click or any tap. In this kind of situations, IB actions got triggered. So without no more words, go straight to example. First, create a new project, iOS app. Next, since it's the IB action, so IB action demo. Leave other things as it is. Click next. We are going to create the project on the desktop. Create a new folder, anything. Create. As you can see, our project is created. This is the main.storyboard. So first go to the storyboard. This is our view controller. So first change the design to iPhone AC. This is for iPhone 14 Pro. I am changing it to iPhone AC so that designing got easier. So now since it's not a auto layout tutorial, so first I am taking a button and giving its width and height as a static and placing it at the center of the screen. So for that, center horizontally, center vertically, and that's it. So our button is being placed on the screen. Right now we need to provide a IB actions. For that, what you need to do, you need to click on this particular plus icon. So as you know already from the previous tutorial of the IB outlet, that how to place the design and the specific class side by side. If you don't know, then the link is available over here. Just click on this and go through the IB outlet tutorial. Then after come on this particular IB actions tutorial. Okay, so from here just switch to the view controller. And over here what we can do, we can select the button and just simply control drag on the screen and just leave it. So as you can see over here, the outlet we have created the same way actions is also available. For which class we are going to create, it is for the view controller. The name we are giving name as button click. Okay, type is any, event is touch up inside. There are different kind of events like did end on exit, editing change, touch down, anything. So button work on the touch up inside, so we are giving as touch up inside, and the argument is sender. So what is sender? The button itself forwarded to that particular function as a parameter, and that's parameter name as sender. So connect. The same way the IB outlet created, the same way this particular IB actions is also created, and as you can see, the same way when the IB outlet got connected, this particular circle got filled up. The same way this IB action have also contained a circle and it's also filled. So I am giving a command like debug print button clicked. Okay, so now let's give it to run. First change the simulator to iPhone AC and give it to run. You guys can see our project start to run and it's contain the button. So first we click on this particular button. Let's see what happens. Whenever we click this button, a button clicked, this particular string start to display on the console. So let's click in couple of times. So every time we click, every time a button event got triggered. So that is the purpose of the IB actions. Whenever we click on this particular button, it's triggered the specific function corresponding to this particular button, and inside of that particular function, whatever code we have written, it's going to execute on click of this particular button. That is the purpose of the IB actions. So what else the procedure by using which we can connect the IB actions? They are like from here, the same way we can disconnect the IB actions. We can drag the button click like this way and touch up insights from here, or we can right click on this particular view controller. Over here also you can see the button click is displaying. Same way you can drag over here and select touch up insights. That's all. And one more approach is like that you can click the button itself, and over there, as you know, the touch up inside is the specific event for the button. So just drag the touch up inside to the view controller, and button clicked start to appear over here whenever you select the button click, and that's it. The IB actions got connected. Whenever the IB actions got connected, on that moment the circle of the specific IB actions is filled. Whenever the IB actions is disconnected, let's disconnect it, this particular circle got emptied. By looking at this particular circle, we can understand that whether the IB actions is connected with the design or not. So that's all guys for today's session. We are going to learn a new topic on our next iOS tutorial. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.